auzy is a medico-psycho-social support platform for children with neurodevelopmental disorders. auzy project is divided into 4 sections: auzy.help, auzy.poc, auzy.job, and auzy.data. The following slides concerns only auzy.help, which is the part that is almost ready. The rest is being under heavy development. Here is our homepage. Our homepage contains a navigation bar containing all the links to the contents on our website. We have also two call to action buttons, one for starting a screening test and the other one for finding a professional. Then comes the section of the process. Our process starts by getting informed, getting tests, finding a professional, and following up with us. Next, we have here articles. We show latest articles that we write manually or translate from other languages. Our mission here is to help children, parents, medical staff, and institutions. We are in partnership with Ministry of Health of Tunisia, UNICEF, GIZ, and UNDP. We have here a section for reviews and stories of people that we helped before. Here comes our footer where it contains information about our company and how to find us, and also links to content in our website. Our website is fully responsive. We carefully made sure that it displays correctly and on all devices such as mobile phones or tablets. We also implemented a chatbot that is able to answer questions, help users understand neurodevelopmental disorders, and even pass online screening tests. So let's just try it. Here, as you can see, our chatbot understood our message and is offering us two options: is it either to discover or to book an appointment. Let's say discover. And here our chatbot is informing us about neurodevelopmental disorders and is giving us a link to more information. Our website is divided to 4 main sections: Discover, Screening Test, Professionals, and Guidance. Let's start with Discover. This section contains information about neurodevelopmental disorders. Let's start with what are neurodevelopmental disorders. Here we have a document about neurodevelopmental disorders. We can also discover high potential, ADHD, and more. Let's see what's inside high potential. Here is all the index of high potential documents. Those documents are generated dynamically, and we can add anytime any more content to it. The next section is screening tests. Here we have online screening tests employed and used internationally to diagnose people with neurodevelopmental disorders. Here we have autism screening. A screening test is basically a survey that we need to fill and finish to be able to know how likely a person is having a neurodevelopmental disorder. Next comes the professionals section. Here in the professional section, you can look for any person or any establishment concerned with neurodevelopmental disorders, such as health professional, educational institutions, carriers, associations, and clubs. We have also a list containing all the doctors and such establishments displayed as follows. We can also filter results by category. Let's try with doctors. And here we have a full list of doctors concerned and working with children with neurodevelopmental disorders. We can also filter results by location. Let's try for Ariana and doctors. We are looking for doctors in Ariana, and let's search. Here are all the available doctors concerned with neurodevelopmental disorders in Ariana City. For every doctor we have here, we have informations about his location, his email, and more information about him. By clicking on his picture, we have a full information about him. Here is the location where his cabinet is, his contact information, business hour, what time he starts working, when he's off, and when he's online, and we also can book an appointment. And about the last section is about guidances for parents. We have news and articles, good practices, and school integration, professional integration, where we have information about how to integrate your child in school for children with neurodevelopmental disorder. Let's see, for younger than 9 years, we have a full article speaking about the integration of children with neurodevelopmental disorders in schools in Tunisia particularly. We also have in guidance application and practical links, which contains a list for apps that helps children with neurodevelopmental disorders with their disability. Whenever you click on any icon, we have more details about the application itself, where you can download this from, the price, the language, and the aptitudes it develops. Our website is managed by a CMS called WordPress to be able to dynamically generate content. We also had to develop a custom plugin from scratch in PHP, JavaScript, and CSS to be able to implement our screening tests algorithms. Here is auzy test that we developed manually, where we can add any question in here, and those questions would be displayed in the front, and a calculation algorithm is going to be executed to calculate the score of each participant or each screen test user. Our website also was designed manually from scratch. We had to start with Adobe XD, then create Elementor templates and include them in here.